Blessed love everyone, and in today's video I have for you a very lovely workout, and this routine is just 2 exercises and can be done anywhere, anytime, no equipment needed, so no excuse. Greetings, Julius Ellis here from Fit Marketer, and this channel is all about helping people living a healthier lifestyle and getting fit right at home. So no gym, no problem, no excuses. Our workout today is just 2 exercises, and this is a full body workout. The 2 exercises that we are going to do are 2 basic and very compounded movements. Compound exercises are exercises that works more than one muscle groups at once. And the 2 exercises selected for the job today is the legendary push-up and the master squat. 100 reps each, and we're going to do them in paired sets. 5 sets with 20 reps each. Okay, so with that said, we're going to get right into the workout. Give thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash like if you got value from this video, and comment let me know what fitness goal you're working on so I can help you with that. And if you are new around here, subscribe and hit that bell for more videos like this. Julius Ellis from Fit Marketer, and we post every Wednesday 7 p.m. Eastern and Pacific time. So blessed love to you all. See you again next strong.